Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create a game lobby inside of Among Us so it's super easy for all of your friends to join you, or even for randos to join you if you're a streamer and you want to invite people in for community game night. The simple answer is you want to click on the play button and you're going to want to click on online. And you have a few options here of how to create your game. You want to host a game, obviously, so you want to create that game. And then you can filter it out to what level you want it to be in. Beginner's probably fine. A lot of people play this casually, as a good example. And then we can say how many imposters do we want. That's how many killers. So you could say between 1, 2, and 3. This is handy to have more imposters if it's a really big group of people. Like if you set the max players to 15, having more than one imposter makes it more challenging for everybody. And if you find that they get found really quickly, go ahead and up the number. You can also control down here the maximum number of players, although if you have like 3 imposters, obviously you can't play with only 4 players because there will only be one person they have to kill before they win. But you can set between 4 and 15 characters that you can play as inside of your game. And then there's a couple of different game modes, the classic game mode and also the newer hide and seek, which you can select with the game type pull down. There are several maps that you can pick from, the Skeld, the Mira HQ, Polis, or Airship, so you can select those there. And then the chat type, I would recommend leaving it on free chat because that causes the least amount of problems. But you can also do quick chat only, where people can only type in like brief phrases. You can select what language you're going to be using for your lobby, and then you can click to confirm if I don't accidentally bork this. Now, so this is kind of nice because once you get in here, it's really easy to determine if this is a private lobby or not. So if you want it to be public, you can click on the button down here to open it up to be public, then random people can find it in the server browser and join you, or you can leave it at private. The nice thing about this is you can grab this code and give it to people so that they can just easily join your lobby without having to be on your friends list. So if I go ahead and leave, if I leave the game and let's say I had a code, I could put it down here in the enter the code section, and then I can go ahead and click on go in order to progress to the next section and join the lobby. So that's how you can host your own game and give out the code to people inside of Among Us. You just need to set your rules, how many people are going to join, what map you want to be on. Make sure it's toggled to private so random people can't join unless you want that. And then give people the code where they can go down to here under private and enter the code to join. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.